getting a little relief from the selling here in Bitcoin and the crypto market in general. We'll focus on Bitcoin since we know that's the lead dog. And, looking at the daily chart, basically we got the breakdown through 40K, which, key level. And then I was like, all right, if that happens, 30K is what we're probably looking at. There's really nothing here outside of, being really oversold that tells me that this is a turnaround. I mean, we're still in this descending channel, and, prior moves kind of leg down, sideways, leg down, sideways. So we might consolidate sideways and leg down again. Who knows? Either way, this drop down from, really it started at 42 and then dropped down, all the way into 33. But anyway, we're talking about a 7,000 to 9,000 point move essentially, and it's really not that much different from here. Like, we were consolidating sideways at 47 and went down to 40, 7,000 point move. So this seemed like such a big deal, but in reality, it's not that much more than the last little stair step down we had, and that's what we've been doing. We're just stair stepping down. So I'm not discounting the fact that we might just consolidate and stair step down again. So 30K is still on the table. I know that's what everyone else is looking for, but it's because it's the Captain Obvious, level. I mean, this is the weekly chart, and looking at the weekly chart, I mean, where do you see all the action, right? We had our big move, consolidation here back in early 21, and then, the rally in the spring, gave it back. What did it hold? So, it just seems, I mean, even on the weekly, you kind of see like the shoulder, head, shoulder pattern. So it just seems inevitable that we're going to get to 30K. I hope we don't, because sometimes when something's so obvious, it doesn't happen. But if we get to 30K, that's my first buying area. Not to say I haven't been picking up some cryptos on this sell-off, but mainly alts. But yeah, Bitcoin at 30K, I've been drooling over. And if that doesn't hold, then, I'll be holding out for even lower prices. You see this line here, 22.5. There's also some price action at 24. You can see more so on the daily. But yeah, so if we don't hold 30, I'll be looking to buy again basically at 24 and like 22. But in the meantime, we'll see what happens. Things are really oversold right now, so we could see some consolidation. But it's just price action still looks bearish. So there's no reason to get like super bullish yet. There's nothing that is even showing us anything yet in the fact that we should be bullish. I mean, boom, we're still in that descending channel, so we got to break that first to even talk about bullish price action starting to work its way in, and go from there.